it's recording. Go pull your string, Susie. I'll stay back here so I'm safe.
Just pull it.
Yank on it hard. Harder. Harder. Come on, Susie.
Oh, God.
And then they had to hook the tractor to it. That's a lot of weight. Guess I didn't get my angle right on that. One, two,
Oh, wait.
one, two, three. One, two. One, two. How's that?
Thanks, Kim.
That's fun. Okay. So this white thing that's right here, that's our pipe for when we run the macerator for our sewage for the RV. It goes up into our septic tank. So anyway, only one board fell. That was when I didn't have the helmet on. I know. Kind of interesting ways that they held it up on this end. Cool.